How to get a refund on Capcut after USA ban. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your refund on Capcut. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, launch any of your preferred web application, and at the top search bar, type in subscription and payment Capcut. You can go ahead and type in this in any of your other web applications as well. Once done, you will see this payments and subscriptions by Capcut FAQs. Open this link. At this section, you have to scroll below, and under how do I request a refund if I made an incorrect or duplicate purchase, you will see this specific address. And you have to mail this email address. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and click on the report a problem, so the purple button that is shown here. If you are trying to write a report here, you have to go onto this address and then simply type in the problem that you purchased 1 year subscription of Capcut, and now that the US has banned Capcut and TikTok, you would like to get a full refund. And likewise, so guys, this is how you can simply solve your problem. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.